Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Welcome about Sandy Home Recipe. Today, you can watch my video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. Now I notification bell. No, send me the video. Be a better hours, Abeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. It's just a bare Ghana dry fish lice soup. Odo pepper, carrots. Any onion begu saucepan mu uwia na de nsuo de egu mu wo de akosi gya so anoa eben pen wa twe no so ne sunsuo na de egu ade a wo be blend wo mu ana wo blender na de nsuo kakra de egu mu no wa blend ni na together wo blend we pera de si nchen na ya ba ye protein no we ye dry fish wo de chop onion begu hu all purpose vegetable season, tomato paste or tomatoes puree, the one that be used so. Fish season, all pepper season, season keep by optional on fire the enka ho. What the salt kakra de aka ho. Now the enso kakra be de egumu. One mixing na together. What the akosi jaso amonesima. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Oko description box na ingredients in na ede ewo ho. Aha no ohwe de nam no ebetete pe na weye eto enchen aka krama enkwan na be no na wo de eden wo de agum wo blended carrot mixture na wo blend no de agum na wo de ensuo ede aka ho ensuo ni gina enkwan dodro a wo ye wo do pepper ni okro aga na hye no na wo je asisu kosita ma ebebing aka krama enkwan na be na enam na wodi si nche no wakohwe eden egumu. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. Aha no aye ready na watwe no wa serve unya ufufu a obetimi de aka ho edi ana aduane apese odidi no obetimi edi mepuma chose na edikan a otwe me video a mema rain to subscribe na wa share na wa like na wa me notification bell no se bi the video bia beto a unsa beka me yes a soup na me taste it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this is our Ghana dry fish lice soup. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.